We're at Ross.
Rick Ross. Rick Ross.
Rick Ross. I mean, what? Mine's gonna be bummy. Oh. Did you not hear us at all?
Oh, because I was like, if he gonna hit me, he gonna hit me. So I just said, well,
Evidence of the video. Evidence? What? I just really want this bag and I have to remember what it looks like. Stop. Those are cute. Hey, you just said you want to come here and get sweatpants yesterday. Was that yesterday?
yeah, no, that was the last time we hung out. Oh, these don't feel flat. They got sparkles on them. Yeah. There's some black sweatpants. They feel nice. No, but I literally have a pair that looks just like that.
Oh.
I want more like overly sized.
These are nice. Or the leggings, but...
The dragon. I like the dragon.
Ooh, I can see you in those, actually. For $11.
These are soft.
Kissed by Fire.
I was looking at the ones over here. Obviously, this is too big.
Oh, these are so small.
I don't want like a small. I would need a medium. I like the oversized. Cause I have ones that fit me tight, and I don't like that. I need.
Oh, medium.
Huh. Yeah, we gotta try them.
Oh, that is cute.
You took forever to eat.
Because I was looking in the camera.
That is ugly.
Y'all ready?
Yep. What?
2, 3. Ooh, ooh. That is nice.
I just think it would be better if it was like a little bit more cinched out the way.
Yes, but still, even without it, that looks good on you. It literally looks like you came in with that on.
Yeah.
Her. Oh, show me. I'm the only one out of here.
Okay. It does. Nice. It's meant to be. The hanger.
All of our first items are good.
Mine does not fit my boobs.
I think it does.
like
Oh.
You tie the strings tighter?
This is tight as they go.
But I don't think you can tell. I can't tell that they don't
Yeah, I
fit your
can't tell
boobs.
at all. As long as you're comfortable in it.
Or even with like a little push-up bra.
Yeah, I was about to say. I mean, since it's got the longer
Yeah.
sleeves, it would hide it still. I wonder what it would look like sleeves.
Look, you got come here, so Fifi. Our aesthetics are high.
know.
This is not normally what I go for.
I'm freaking good. It's almost socks.
This is definitely what I go for.
No, this is definitely new.
Like Sophia picked it out.
Yes, I did.
I gotta get myself
saw
on
it, I was like-
Snapchat.
Literally.
Alright.
Okay.
Now we have to try.
Wait,
this.
get me on Snapchat. This is the only
Oh, okay. Okay, next.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. That is cute.
Really cute. I love the every part of it, honestly. Even though it's like.
I know. I like how the buttons are like all of the different colors.
I'm feeling for my outfit.
Definitely.
Oh, yeah, you mean.
Oh yeah.
Don't like it.
It's not ugly.
Oh, yes.
I like it. I think it's cute. It's more of like.
It's little, yeah.
Remember that video that I showed you of the grandma who's dancing? I was like, this is kind of what she'd be wearing in the morning with like a long robe kind of deal.
Yeah, I would wear this around the house, but I wouldn't wear it out. It's definitely to make some oatmeal in the morning.
Yeah. Honey, I got your oatmeal.
Both look good in it though.
I think I might buy this though. This is cute.
The whole outfit is very cute together.
I like how, but
I like the pants on you.
and I had to tie them tight because these are men's.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, pants.
Oh yes, that looks good on you.
Thank you.
Bruh, I really wish it was another one.
Okay, hips.
Hips don't lie.
Thank you.
Purr.
Not Courtney.
Oh, I keep forgetting about myself.
Yes.
Looks so good.
But I have a square body and this doesn't show it as much.
It does look very
It's
cute.
so comfortable. I wish there was another one.
I think there is a medium.
It's a lot.
A medium?
I think there's a medium, yeah. I mean, because that one you found when we were trying to look for another smaller size, but there were two. That one's a large. It said large on the thing. Oh no, this is the medium. So then there is another one. It's just the large.
I can take the large one.
I was about to say it would probably still fit just the same. Oh, I'm not even holding this up.
It's okay. I was doing the same thing.
Still, how much are these though? Oh, $10.
Yeah. Let me try on that one.
You want to try it on this one?
Oh, I was
No, because you would have to have that
Oh,
one.
true.
If we all get them, because you would need a small.
Hold on, Courtney. I was about to say.
I was like, okay. In the middle of the hallway?
Okay.
Oh, upstairs?
Sophia?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. You're bugging. It looks good on you.
I think it looks really
It looks really
I
good.
think I just feel weird in a dress.
It looks really good. It does make your butt look good. You were right. Purr. So yeah, knock it the large. Purr.
Oh, I like your dress. Your black dress is very cute.
I literally said wine at the steakhouse with the girls.
Yes. This one, I don't even know if I like this one that much. It's kind of just.
It's cute.
It's cute, but I don't know about where. I don't know where you would wear it
It
besides.
feels like church.
Yeah, I was gonna say besides church. I don't know where you would wear it.
Yeah.
Unless you access, or maybe like with like a corset.
I have like a pink. I have a pink.
Well,
one that
can I
goes-
see it without the cover up top thing?
It's attached. Like,
Oh,
it's not like attached fully, but it's like clipped on.
yeah. Girl, we can cut that off. The dress is cute.
Wait, I don't think it's attached. I think
No,
it's.
it's the clip. It's the,
Oh, okay,
that's
but
fine.
still, without the thing, it's still really cute.
Especially with like a small corset, accessories.
It's cute.
It's
Period.
cute, but it just depends on if you want to do that work for the dress.
Yeah,
True. I like it. I think that looks really good on you.
it is.
Do you want me to get a shot of your dress?
I like that. I like dresses with the scrunchie thing.
I think it looks very nice. Very body fit. Love it.
This is giving me I'm about to kill you vibes.
Like girl with the dragon tattoo.
Like revenge. Like, remember the day you left me to die.
Like when you walk in the restaurant, everybody's looking at her and not knowing that she used to kill you.
Yes, that's what's giving me.
That's awesome. I'm so excited to try on the next step.
I think there was someone in here. Alright, I'm changing. I feel weird now.
Right.
6, 7, 8.
I love those pants.
Yes.
I like the Puma top too. Did you come in with that?
Yeah, this is mine.
Oh, okay.
I just feel like it would be better if they were a little bit more massaged, you know? Like right.
I feel like they kind of sit perfect on your waist though.
They do look good. Mine is like.
See, I said the tight one.
Actually, I like that.
I was trying to go for, well, they didn't have any like turtlenecks. I wanted to do like a long sleeve turtleneck, but like I just grabbed something with like the cuff part because I showed you that other one that had that built in.
But I like it. Yeah. I actually do like it like this.
I do like it though.
Yeah. You don't think that the tighter one would look better?
I do.
Like sitting up a little bit higher?
Maybe. We should get the tighter one and have you try it on.
Okay. Because I think the tighter one, like if I were like cropped like this kind of, and then it sat tighter.
Yeah, that's why I said that because I like the tight look.
I
I don't like it either. Who? I don't know. I don't like it.
I mean, I wish that it was like.
You can see my boxers through the photo.
You could also, this doesn't help it either. It's not showing your true shape.
Oh, the boxer top?
Yeah.
I mean, I have it tucked under my titties. That sounds weird to say, but I try to tuck it under my titties so you can.
I feel like.
I think it's cute, but if it were like, that would be cute. Or maybe,
I feel
hold
like if it
on.
were cinched, like how the other one is, like where it cinches like this. See, if it sat like that and then came up higher and just sat
Oh,
there,
yeah.
that would be like, that'd be perfect. I mean, see, that's so.
The top is a little flunky though.
Yeah, like, I would have to wear a bra with it.
Yeah.
Because
You're not wearing a bra right now, right?
See, is that
I
how?
thought they were paying Summer Walker in here. I'm like, y'all good? Even this, I don't even know how this is supposed to fucking.
Yeah, that's what it was like on the blue one.
It's not shaping.
Well, with the blue one, it kind of shaped by itself once I started walking around. So I think it's one of those things you put a bra on and hope for the best.
Same with the dragon one though. The dragon one was.
Yeah, the dragon one was.
It had these rhinestones on it. It would
Yeah,
probably
but it was a really loose, like cut flat. This has a lot of inches on it. It's like, where's this?
It's made to cut a hole. You cut a hole right here and then you put it
Stick
over
it
your head.
Yeah.
Or like masquerade, like.
Oh, that would be cute.
That would be, if it actually did.
Yeah, like if it was tied around your face and it went into the dress.
That would be very.
That'd be cute. Bro, we should, I don't know who would come, but we should throw a masquerade ball.
That would be very nice.
That would be nice.
Like
this summer. What should you do for your birthday?
Okay.
A masquerade, like, and we dress up.
Even if we just go to a restaurant, we can go in masquerade.
Yes.
Have you ever seen my prom dress?
No.
It literally would be perfect for a masquerade thing. And I have these amazing heels with it that are like shiny, like rainbow embroideries on it.
I still have my prom dress.
I never prom.
Yeah, get your prom dress.
Yeah, get your prom dress, right.
Actually, I know where I want to go. It's this hair store that sells prom dresses and bridal dresses. So I'll go there and get a wig.
That sounds awesome.
All right.
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Stop. Why do you look good in yours?
I like I said, it would look really good if
Yes.
Other than that, it's not.
With a clothespin in the back.
Right.
You do look like you from the praise dance. And I'm the teacher. Yeah, all you gotta just be like. Yes. Thank you for being a friend. Trying to buy the world back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a comfort. And if you threw a party. It doesn't look bad, but I definitely would never wear this in public.
This is funny right here.
Oh my god.
The scene.
It's not even.
It's not even a full scene. It's just this.
Oh.
It's supposed to look slit like mine, but it's not. This is
But conservative.
exactly. The conservative.
I didn't even notice that. That's hilarious.
That's literally a church dress. Dress. I was hoping you didn't catch on. Hello.
Is that the same one as this right here?
Yes.
You all have a lot more fun than we are. You look a lot better in it.
Oh, thank you. You probably should. You probably look great in it. We're at the wing spot now.
He's trying to be real now when he gotta get in his car, but he shouldn't have parked that close to the fucking
I had to park all the way down there.
We're gonna park here.
I was going to, but I had started to pass it, so I was like,
You
fuck.
actually parked right next to me about.
Okay, good.
He used to clip it. Like, we literally have to learn a section of each map. And we would have a test. That was our test. I don't know.
Ooh, what sauce is that?
I thought it was a moose.
It is moose. I thought you said goose.
Oh,
I was like, what restaurant has a
I mean, it would be more. What?
Oh.
What are we getting? Chips. What was I about to say? Oh, it would make more sense if they had a goose because they sell chicken.
No. Wait. Yes. I think the whole point of is that Locos, like, nobody has a moose. They even have a moose inside their like restaurant, like a giant moose.
Like a moose?
Yeah. Like
But why a moose? Do they even? Is the moose's name Loco?
I bet. Maybe.
I can see mooses being crazy. Is it Mises? Moose? Moose? I don't know.
Meese?
Mises. They don't have hot fingers, or you say they do?
No, they don't.
They ain't got no hot chips. I wanted hot chips.
Man, I
I
got
got
hot chips in my
hot and spicy.
Pork greens.
Sorry. Oh, they got these new chips. The Flamin' Hot Cool Ranch Doritos.
Spicy Cheez-Its. No.
I want a real hot chips. My feelings are hurt.
Flamas.
Those are
Flamin' Hot
good.
Ranch.
These actually make my tongue burn. They're good though to me, but they actually make my tongue burn. They're like Takis or Cheetos or something. I had all of that at home. At my house. My house.
I had. Shut up. Do you wanna? There's Takis. Oh.
Okay. I'm getting the blue ones.
The blue ones.
These are the best ones.
I like the red.
The red ones burn me too much.
Like I was like, why did you call
Root rosé.
I forgot how to spell your name because, girl, these. One can is half a bottle of wine.
That just means that it's a lot of alcohol, right?
The ones that we usually get are 10%, but 2 of these is 1 bottle of wine.
12.5% alcohol. So this is like a full bottle of wine by itself. Not even half a bottle. What's going on?
I need some juice or something. I guess I'll get a pink lemonade. I haven't had one of these in so long, y'all. Oh, strawberry melon made. I don't fucking know. We got ice cream. We still got ice cream and brownies at the house.
Oh yeah, you do. But is it the nasty? Oh no, that's at my house.
I like the M&M's pretzels.
I like them.
I haven't had them in so long, but they're so good. Haagen-Dazs.
This is my favorite hair dye.
Yeah, but box dye is not good for your hair.
This shit is all natural. It's amazing. It makes my hair feel so soft afterwards.
You really down to dye it tonight?
I mean, shit, I don't know.
I mean, I have developer, I have a mixing bowl, I have shower caps,
I mean, I don't need any.
and I have the neutralizing shampoo.
I mean, I don't need any. My shoes are not on.
Oh.
Barely on. This is the one I normally use.
Are we dyeing your hair tonight or are you just looking around?
I guess I'm just looking around. I don't want to make y'all dye my hair.
I don't mind. I want to. It's not really making us. It's all about what you want to do.
Yeah. Because I literally have everything except hair dye.
I mean, I have a feeling that it would look really nice. I tried to text my dad's girlfriend about it, but she didn't say anything back.
It's your decision. It's your head.
I know, but I value her opinion as a woman who owns hair salons.
Hair salons.
Multiples.
We'll see y'all at the house. My phone's about to die. Ting. Ting. We're at my house.
I was like, who are you talking to?
Hello.
We have some white zinfandel.
Alright, she said more energy. Okay, more energy.
Who's Morton?
More energy.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
Dun, wait. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna keep serious face. In action.
You got this, girl.
I don't think you can see my face.
Is the head bopping before you start?